partnership. It's very difficult to catch the essence of partnership. So instead of talking about it, I decided to show you some examples, some proof, some evidence of real partnership. As you can see behind me, around me, these little statues are representing true partnership between agencies, creative and media, and clients. These are Effie Awards, and Effie is rewarding the most efficient campaigns of a given year. In Hungary, we managed to collect in the last couple of years many of these awards. But you can also see another award, a cup, which is a football cup. What can we demonstrating better real partnership inside an agency than fighting for one target, one objective, helping each other and fighting for each other than winning a football cup. So this football cup has been rewarded to initiative after winning in three consecutive years the Media Cup in Hungary. I know football is not a dead or alive question, it's much more important than that. And what can be a better symbol of real partnership than the symbol of victory and a cup itself?